Looking for your next winning product to sell on Amazon? In this video, I'll walk you through Helium 10's Black Box, a powerful product research tool that helps you find high-demand, low-competition products in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. To get started, log into your Helium 10 dashboard and click on Black Box from the main menu under Product Research. You'll land on a page with a wide variety of filters to narrow your search. Fill in fields like category, monthly revenue, price, reviews, and shipping size. Here's where the magic happens. Let's say you want products with monthly revenue above $5,000. Less than 150 reviews. Price between $20 and $50. In the kitchen or home category. Set those filters and hit search. You'll now see a list of products that match your criteria. You can analyze columns like monthly sales, revenue, BSR, review count, and seller type. Want to get even more specific? Use advanced filters like number of images, rating, or even keyword count in the title. This helps you refine your search further and find hidden gems. Pro tip: once you find a product that looks promising, plug its ASIN into Helium 10's Cerebro to spy on its keywords and see how it ranks organically. This gives you an edge before even launching. Instead of guessing what products might sell, Black Box uses real data to give you confidence. Whether you're a new seller or scaling up, it helps you avoid saturated markets and focus on what actually works. Want to try Helium 10? Use the link in the description for the best discount available online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a powerful Amazon selling tip.